I recently started using AliExpress. They had a 1 penny promotion for your first order. I found this cool looking black hoodie and thought I'd give AliExpress a try. It cost me about 39 cents, which included tax and shipping. After about 3 weeks, I got my package. It came in a small envelope. The hoodie was a bit small for my TB League female, so I put it on my Claire. It fits regular Barbies well. The sleeves are a bit short, but not too bad. I think it looks nice on her. The back has a Velcro opening that helps with pulling on the hoodie. The cords on the hoodie are just for looks. They don't pull the hood tight. It came with a pleated white skirt. Both pieces are well constructed. I probably won't use the skirt in an outdoor adventure situation. I really like this hoodie, and it should work well with the outdoor adventure outfit. Also, since it's small enough for Barbie, it will also fit the Harry Potter figures. It fits my Ron Weasley figure well, giving him another great piece of outdoor adventure clothes. What I really like is Ron can stick his hands in his pockets. The pockets are functional. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. It really helps my channel out. And until next time, don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next one.